Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Meron tayong New Moon in Leo ngayong araw na to, August 16, 2023 at 5:38 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So for manifestation and human rituals, pwede nyo pa rin gawin yan hanggang bukas na madaling araw hanggang 3 a.m. So itong New Moon in Leo is about birth of creativity, expressing and healing your inner child, boosting your self-confidence and your courage. So ang opportunities dito is kung paano mo madedevelop ang inner strength mo, yung lakas ng loob na kailangan mo para sumubok ng mga bagong experiences sa buhay. Lalo na yung mga bagay na kinatatakutan mo kahit na alam mo naman na maaring mag-improve ito ng buhay mo. Yung iba kasi natatakot na mag-fail or maaring iniisip nila na baka hindi yun mag-work for them. But what if it works for you? So you'll never know hanggat hindi mo sinusubukan. And then another opportunity is expanding your creativity. Maaring meron ka ng mga creative ideas na hindi mo isinasa katuparan. So maaring ngayon, it's time for you to take action finally, no? And to make things happen for you. Dahil maaring meron kang mga hindi pa nadidiscover na hidden talents mo or abilities or skills mo na pwedeng makapagpaunlad ng buhay mo at magkaroon ka doon ng fulfillment and satisfaction sa buhay. So, ang goal naman dito is to avoid drama. Avoid yung mga conflict kasi maaring magkaroon ng mga dramatic situation sa iyong sarili while connecting with other people. Pwede rin within your family, within your friends, within your workplace. So, mas maganda na umiwas na lang sa drama para alam mo na, hindi ka makasagap ng mga negative energies or emotions na hindi naman talaga galing sa'yo at mas mag-focus ka sa iyong sarili. And another goal is overcoming our ego kasi minsan, di ba, mataas yung pride natin. Ayaw natin nagpapasapaw sa iba. May mga pagkakataon na nagiging competitive tayo pero may mga panahon din na mas maganda na i-let go na lang natin yung competition at mas mag-focus tayo sa ating sarili kung paano natin mas i-improve yung ating sarili. Hindi naman natin kailangan i-please ang lahat dahil we cannot please everybody. Ang importante is meron tayong paniniwala sa ating sarili, sa ating kakayanan, and yun lang sapat na. So for you, Cancer, ang New Moon in Leo ay mangyayari sa inyong second house of your finances, your assets, your resources, and yung mga values ninyo. So, maari ngayon, mas magpo-focus rin kayo on how to add more sources of income para mas mapaunlad nyo yung inyong kabuhayan, yung standard of living ninyo. And some of you maaaring makakaisip kayo ng mga negosyo na pwede nyong pagkakitaan, mga side hustle, side gig, aside from your main source of income or your main job. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaaring magkaroon ng challenges, no, sa mga kaibigan, lalo na kung itong mga kaibigan na to ay they are trying to get something from you na parang too much na lalo na kung they are always asking for your help, asking for your assistance. Pero ang totoo, kaya naman talaga nila. So, it's time for you to speak up and to tell them how you feel at importante rin dyan is magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na i-express yung sarili mo, na ipaglaban mo rin yung sarili mo. And also, yung iba sa inyo na nagtatry na magkaroon ng certain community, especially dun sa mga baguhan na content creators or yung mga nagke-create ng mga videos or contents sa mga social media platforms, maaring maging challenging sa inyo yung pagpapalawak ng community ninyo, yung pagkakaroon ng mas maraming followers. Pero kaya nyo namang ma-overcome yan. Depende na yan sa pagpupursige talaga ninyo. Challenging siya sa una, pero kung talagang gusto nyo to, no, gusto nyo talaga yung ganitong landas, then definitely you will be able to overcome those challenges. At mas magiging worth it siya dahil pinaghirapan mo talaga. Meron tong positive aspect sa inyong career. So, para dun sa mga gustong gawing career, ang internet, ang social media. Yung iba sa inyo, you are destined to be known by a lot of people sa field ninyo. Because North Node is in Aries right now and it is in your 10th house. So, binibigyan na niya ng boost yung iyong career and also yung may iwan mo na legacy sa mundo. And then, meron lang tong challenging aspect rin sa Pluto, which is in your 7th house of relationships and partnerships. So, some of you maaring magkaroon ng challenge pagdating sa partner ninyo, especially if you are in a relationship right now. Maaring may mga plano kayo sa buhay na hindi sila magiging supportive sa'yo or kukontrahin yung mga plano mo. So, mas maganda dyan na mas maging open yung communication, i-express mo yung totoong nararamdaman mo, ano yung goal mo, para ba to sa'yo lang or para sa inyong dalawa as partners, para at least magkaroon kayo ng understanding. Maaari ring maging challenging sa inyo yung learning. Halimbawa, if you are studying and at the same time you're also working, so challenging yun for you. Ang importante lang is you are able to manage your time, your energy. Kasi kung hindi mo talaga kaya, might as well na i-delay mo muna, ipagpaliban mo muna hanggat hindi mo pa naayos yung schedule mo. Instead na isa lang yung issue na aasikasuhin mo, kumalat na siya sa iba dahil pati yung ibang importanteng bagay sa'yo is naaapektuhan, like yung career mo, trabaho mo, yung iyong iba pang project at even your relationships with other people. Some of you maaring maka-experience kayo ng delay pagdating sa travel ninyo, especially international travels. So, just make sure na, keep it cool. May mga nangyayari talaga yung mga ganon. Minsan, lagi nyo lang isipin na yung delays na yan ay protection para sa inyo. And I also see mas magfo-focus talaga kayo ngayon sa career ninyo. Gusto nyo mas lalong palawakin pa yung pinagkakakitaan nyo. Yan yung pinaka-focus nyo ngayon second house and your 10th house. Second house is your finances, your assets. And some of you are going to pursue your career through your creativity. So, meron kayong mga creative talents and skills na magagamit nyo para mas mapaunlad pa yung career ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging self-employed or business-minded, na you are going to create a certain community na magsusupport sa mga ginagawa mo or sa business mo or sa career mo, whatever na ino-offer mo sa iyong community. So, let's see what else for you, Cancer. You have the 10 of Swords. So, anything that is stressful sa'yo, you're going to let that go. Maaring merong isang difficult situation ngayon na natatapos na and at least makakahinga ka na ng maluwag. You also have, speaking of makakahinga ng maluwag, so meron ditong recuperation. You are healing, some of you maaring nagkaroon ng some of you depression or nagkaroon kayo ng challenging situation na lagi kayong nag-iisip, especially related sa inyong mental health. So ngayon, mas merong katahimikan na kayo ng isip. And then, you also have the Page of Swords. So, you are more curious right now. Mas gusto mong matuto, mas gusto mong mag-expand pa ng knowledge mo. Some of you are going to research on the things na very much interested ka. Pwede yan sa pagkakakitaan. Any form of creative pursuit na pwede mo talaga siyang gawing career kasi kaya mo talagang gawin yan. So, let's get Moon cards. So, New Moon in Leo, it's your time to shine. Ayan. So, you're going to shine from within. Maaring maraming makakapansin sa'yo. People will admire you for your work, for what you do. And of course, yung confidence mo, yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng success. So, importante is naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, matatag ka, at confident ka sa mga ginagawa mo dahil dito ka magaling at nandito yung iyong talents and skills, okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.